In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack, best for productivity and teamwork. 5 minutes. Slack is a powerful hub for team communication, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to get set up, find your way around, and communicate clearly. Start by visiting slack.com. If you're new, sign up with your email. If you've been invited to a workspace, use that invite to log in so you land in the right place without extra steps. Next, create or join a workspace and set up your profile. Add your name, a clear photo, and your role so teammates recognize you. Set your time zone and adjust your display name if your team uses naming conventions. A complete profile helps others find and collaborate with you faster. For easy access, install the desktop or mobile app. The desktop app gives you better notifications and quick shortcuts, while the mobile app keeps you responsive on the go. Sign in once and you'll stay connected across your devices. Let's cover the layout. On the left is your main navigation. You'll see channels, direct messages, and shortcuts to your activity and saved items. This is your command center for everything happening in your workspace. Channels are organized spaces for topics or teams. Join the ones relevant to your work and leave those you don't need to reduce noise. Public channels keep information transparent. Private channels are for sensitive topics. Star your most important channels so they stay at the top. Direct messages are private chats between you and one person or a small group. Use them for quick check-ins or personal topics that don't belong in a channel. Your home view shows recent activity, saved items, and reminders. Treat it like your personal dashboard to stay on top of priorities. At the top, the search bar helps you find messages, files, and people. Use keywords or refine with filters like in a specific channel or from a person to get precise results. In the top right, your profile menu lets you set a status, manage notifications, and adjust settings. Use Do Not Disturb when you need focus time. To send a message, click a channel, then type at the bottom. Keep messages concise, add formatting when helpful, and provide context for links or files. Use at mentions to notify teammates directly. Mention only the people who need to see it to keep alerts meaningful. Reply in threads to keep conversations organized and easy to follow later. React with emojis to acknowledge messages quickly without adding extra chatter. Share files by dragging and dropping or using the plus button. Add a note so others know what they're looking at. Finally, use huddles for quick audio or video chats inside channels or DMs, perfect for fast decisions and screen sharing. That's it, your Slack basics for productive teamwork.